Hello students, I hope you are doing well. I am Pramod Joshi. Today we will read chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilateral, exercise 3.4. So, first question states whether true or false. आपको बताना है true है या false है. You have to tell. See here, all rectangle are square. All rectangle are square. In rectangle, opposite side are equal. But in square all the sides are equal. So all rectangle are not square. It is false. It is false. All rhombuses are parallelogram. All rhombuses are parallelogram because in parallelogram opposite side are equal and diagonal bisect each other. In rhombus opposite side are also equal and diagonal bisect each other. And opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. In rhombus also opposite angle are equal. So all rhombuses are parallelogram. It is true. All square are rhombus and also rectangle. All square are rhombus because in rhombus all the sides are equal. In square all the sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal in rhombus. In square opposite angles are also equal and diagonal bisect each other in rhombus and at right angle, and in square the diagonal bisect each other at right angle. So all the square are rhombuses and also rectangle because in rectangle opposite side are equal, in square also opposite sides are also equal, and opposite all the measures of all the angles is right angle in rectangle, and also in square all the angles are right angle. So all the square are rhombuses and rectangle. Diagonals are also equal in rectangle. In square diagonals are also equal. So all the square are rhombus and rectangle. Rectangles, it is true. Here D, all square are not parallelogram. All square are parallelogram because in parallelogram opposite side are equal and opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect each other. In square all the properties of parallelogram holds the square. Square holds all the properties of parallelogram. So it is written all the square are not parallelogram. This is false. All kites are rhombus. In kites adjacent side are equal, but in rhombus all the sides are equal. So all kites are not rhombus. Not rhombus. All the kites are rhombus here, not rhombus. So it is false. Here all rhombuses are kite because in kite all adjacent sides are equal. In rhombus also adjacent side are equal because all sides are equal, so adjacent side are also equal, and diagonal bisect each other. One diagonal bisect another in kite. In also rhombus one diagonal bisect each other. So all rhombuses are kite. It is true. All the parallelogram are trapezium. You know that in trapezium one pair is parallel. One pair of opposite side is parallel. So in rhombus, in parallelogram, one pair of opposite side is also parallel. So all the parallelogram are trapezium. It is true. Here all the square are trapezium. In trapezium one pair of opposite side is equal. In square one pair is opposite side, both the pair are equal, one pair is also equal. So all the square are trapezium. It is true. Now question number 2. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal length. Four sides of equal length in square and rhombus. Four sides in equal length. So rhombus and square. All four sides of equal length in rhombus and square. Now four right angles. Four right angles, you know, four right angles in rectangle and square. All the angles, all the four angles are right angle. So square and rectangle. Now question number 3. Explain how square is a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, rhombus, a rectangle. First, a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral since it has all sides of equal length. A quadrilateral, a square is a since it has all sides of equal or equal length of a square is a quadrilateral since it has all sides of equal length. Now a parallelogram, a square is a parallelogram since it contains both pairs of opposite side equal. Now C part. This is A 1, 2. This is third part, and this is fourth part. Second, first, second, third. A square is a rhombus since it has all the sides equal of all the sides of equal length and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Now rectangle, a square is a rectangle since opposite side it has opposite sides equal. Since opposite sides of square are equal and all the angles are right angle. All the angles are right angles. Right angles. Question 4. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other are rhombus, parallelogram, square, diagonal bisect each other, square and rectangle. Diagonal bisect each other. Rhombus, parallelogram, square and rectangle are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector rhombus, perpendicular bisector and square. Perpendicular bisector of each other and are equal. Diagonals are equal in rectangle and square are equal. Now question number 5. Explain why rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. A rectangle is a convex quadrilateral because all of its angles are less than 180 degree. Measure of all the angles is less than 180 degree and both of its diagonal lies in its interior. So the rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. So you can write a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral because since it's all the angles it's all the angles measure of all the angles of its all the angles of its all the angles is less than 180 degree and both of its diagonal lie in its interior. So this is convex quadrilateral. Now question number ABC is a right angle triangle. This is ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. O is the midpoint side to the opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is equidistant from ABC. O is equidistant from A, B and C. It means this distance, this and this, all three distances are equal. Equidistant from A, B and C. The dotted lines are drawn to additionally to help of you. ये डॉटेड लाइन बना दी गई है तो ये रेक्टेंगल बन जाएगा। यहाँ पर देखिए Since ABCD forms a rectangle. Since the diagonals of rectangle bisect each other, so OB equal to OD equal to OC, OA equal to OC. So ABC, so O is equidistance from A, B and C. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.